Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install iCloud for Windows 7, 8 and Windows 10. Type download iCloud for Windows in browser search bar. Click download iCloud for Windows. Click download. Double-click to open downloaded file. Click Install. Click Yes to continue. Click Finish. Click Yes to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.